the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What's going on, everyone? The iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max was just released yesterday, and today I am super freaking excited to walk you through the unboxing of both of them together side by side so that you can decide whether you want to go big or go tiny. Stick around to the end of this video for an exclusive interview with my baby son Bennett. Make sure to like and subscribe to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card drawing. Alright, let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Love this part. So let's take a look at the back real quick. You can see right here that both of these phones are equipped with 5G. The iPhone 12 mini is the thinnest and smallest smartphone with 5G. The 12 mini has a 5.4 Super Retina XDR display, and the 12 Pro Max is rocking a massive, super extreme 6.7-inch Super XDR display. Alright guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. The main event of unboxing videos. I'm gonna do this very slowly. Here's a fun fact. Steve Jobs specifically designed these boxes in order for the lids to have to come off very slowly to add to the suspense. That's something you didn't know. Look at those beautiful phones. I don't know what it is, but every time I open up an iPhone box, I get those butterflies and warm fuzzies. Oh, it smells like fresh apple. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, wow, the mini is actually super small. You can see the mini only has an ultra wide and wide camera, while the Pro Max also has a telephoto camera. You can see the cameras on the Pro Max are also quite a bit bigger, which I would assume translates better to camera quality. We'll test that theory out here in a bit. Alright, let's put the phones aside for a second and see what else is in the box. See, you have your two instruction booklets, designed by Apple in California. Inside you got your SIM card pins, your Apple stickers, and your instruction booklets. Ooh, the Pro Max has a bigger sticker. Oh, you know what? It's not that it's actually a bigger sticker, it's just the backing is bigger. That's weird. Let's put those back in real quick. Then last but not least, your Lightning to USB-C data cables. Stick those back in there and get back to these beautiful phones. You can see the Pro Max black version, graphite, has more of a foggy charcoal finish, which I really like. And the white version has more of a very reflective, glossy-like finish. You can see on the side that they're virtually the same. Got the same sleep to wake button, same size. I don't know what this button right here is, where my thumb is. If anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments below. Then on the bottom, you can see you have your charge sync port. You can see here that the Pro Max has 2 extra notches on both sides for the speakers and microphone. So you know the sound quality is going to be a little bit louder and a little bit nicer on the Pro Max. Then on the side you have your volume up and down buttons, your SIM card trays, and your mute buttons. Alright, now this is one of my favorite parts. Ooh, this is another one of those warm fuzzy moments when we take off the screen protector, revealing the beautiful displays. Wow. Alright, I'm going to turn these on, but I'm going to skip through the setup so I don't bore you to death. Wow, these OLED displays look gorgeous. Feeling both of these in my hands, I honestly could see either one of these as my daily phone. Although I'm feeling like the camera specs are gonna win me over on the Pro Max. I'm really liking this throwback to the flat edge design. The aluminum edging is supposed to be way more durable and a lot stronger. The front glass now has something called ceramic shield, which is apparently 4 times stronger. The 12 Pro Max has a pixel density of 458 pixels per inch. And the mini has a pixel density of 476 pixels per inch. Alright, so to test the speakers, I'm going to use my nerdy, handy little decibel meter. Turn the volume all the way up. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on the YouTube app with iOS 14 in only 1 minute. Let's go. Alright, so it looks like we've got a reading of 98.1 decibels for the iPhone 12 mini. Alright, now for the Pro Max. Let's turn the volume all the way up. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on the YouTube app. Wow, so as you can see, not much of a difference. 98.3 decibels on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Needless to say, the sound quality should not be the reason to go for the iPhone Pro Max over the iPhone mini. It does sound slightly bassier on the iPhone Pro Max, but not by a lot. The bezel kind of feels a little big on both of these phones, especially on the Pro Max, but that's mainly because of the extremely flat screen. Here's a little Target gift card so you can kind of see how big other things are compared to everything else. As you can see, the Pro Max is just massive. It's huge, but I like it. I love it. I really do wish they could get all the way to the edge like some of the other phones with the bezel, but it's not a deal breaker. The iPhone is still one of the only phones to have a notch at the top, but that's mainly because of how great their Face ID technology is. So I'll take it. I've kind of gotten used to the notch. Someday, it'd be nice to not have a notch. Honestly, I can't imagine anybody not loving the display on the iPhone Pro Max. Flat edges are back, baby. These flat edges look amazing. All right, let's do a pocket test. These are kind of skinny pants. I usually don't wear skinny pants, so don't judge me. You can see it still fits pretty nice. It's not tight or anything. Fits really well in your pocket, so I'm assuming this is gonna feel like putting a credit card in your pocket. Yeah. You know what? I could probably even fit it in my little secret pocket. Wow, look at that. Does anybody know what the secret pocket is for? If you could, let me know in the comments. So for those of you who like to wear skinny jeans, you're still gonna look fabulous. So let's test the MagSafe charger. This is one of those things that they've been really excited about. I'm kind of excited about it too, so let's see how well it works. Wow. Look at that. That is a strong magnet. Let's try it on the Mini. Yep, just as strong. So strong you can hold the iPhone 12 Pro Max with it. I don't recommend you do this at home. Let's see how these phones look with the brightness all the way up. Wow, it's so bright. It blows out my camera exposure. Let's turn that back down so we can actually see what we're doing. All right, now let's check out the cameras. All right, so in good lighting, both of these phones seem pretty much identical in quality. You can see the difference in quality from the iPhone 11 Pro Max there on the right. It's quite a step up from last year. All these cameras look fantastic, so the best place to compare them is to take them into a low lighting situation. Here I am in my garage with no other lights on other than one tiny little window in here. You can see there's quite a bit more grain on the 11 Pro Max, obviously. Looking at the phones, I can't really see any extra grain difference between the Pro Max and the Mini. All right, now let's switch it around to the front cameras. All right, here's a low light situation, a little shelf in our garage. Yes, I know I need to clean out my garage. Definitely a lot more grain and splotchiness on the 11 Pro Max. Still in person, I can't see a really big difference between the 12 Pro Max and the Mini. Could be because the Mini screen is so small though. Typing is kind of cramped on the Mini. Well, it feels really nice on the Max. Landscape mode is a little bit of a stretch when you're trying to get into the middle letters, but it's not too bad. Reachability is actually not that tough on the Pro Max. It's about the same size as the 11 Pro, but they just made the screen bigger. Reachability is obviously incredibly easy on the Mini, but I feel like the Mini is just a little too small for my taste. One thing I really don't understand with the Pro Max is, now that this device is almost the size of an iPad, why don't we have more iPad-like features? One major one being split screen, which a lot of Android phones have. I feel like Apple should start implementing that into their phones. I don't know why they haven't. I don't know why we're still sticking with the Lightning charger when everything else Apple has now been moved over to USB-C when it comes to Mac. So I'm guessing on the next iteration, on the iPhone 13 or whatever it's called, they're probably finally gonna go to the USB-C or just go portless completely. Stay tuned for my Pro Max video where I talk specifically about the camera and how the brand new LiDAR depth sensing does wonders for camera quality. What do you think about this phone, Bennett?
My favorite phone is the Mini, because that's the one you're gonna gimme.
Okay. Guys, stay tuned for my next videos. I'm going to do an extremely thorough full review on both of these phones, and I'm also going to do a full review on the iPhone Pro. I'm going to show you all the camera quality, the video quality, all the ins and outs, the pros and cons. So stay tuned for those. Also, let me know in the comments which of the 4 new iPhones that just came out that you're going to get. Make sure to like and subscribe to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card drawing. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.